Hello, today we will be looking at Kingdom Hearts 2 and I will be showing you how to make a good gummy ship to do the gummy missions in Kingdom Hearts 2. Step number 1, build the gummy ship. Step number 2, use the gummy ship. Okay, you have now succeeded in building a gummy ship on Kingdom Hearts 2. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Side note, do not visit this man. If this man contacts you on Kingdom Hearts 2, do not go to him. You're playing the wrong game.